Hey sunshines, it's your girl Day here. Thank you for clicking on my YouTube channel. For me, journaling is a form of self-care and spending time with God. I love to write poetry, songs, and even my prayers. I understand not everyone knows how to pray, so I decided to create this video to show you guys the way I learned how to journal. The method we will be using is the acronym ACTS. ACTS stands for Adoration, Confessions, Thankfulness, and Supplication. Prayer is communication with God. A big part of communication is listening. I hear God by reading His Word. I love the YouVersion app. It has so many devotions and translations of the Bible right in one place. The plan that I read this week was She Dreams by Tiffany Bloom. When I finish my devotion, I highlight the main verses that stand out and begin to use the ACTS acronym. The first word is adoration. Adoration is defined to love and respect deeply. In the first paragraph, I reflect on the Lord's character and express to Him His value in my life. Next is confessions. We all sin and fall short of God's glory. God doesn't want us to feel guilty, but He does desire to see us grow. It takes a lot of humility to admit when you are wrong. Then there's thankfulness. When we express gratitude, our brain releases dopamine and serotonin. Not only does thankfulness pleases God, it makes us feel better. Focusing on the positives helps retrain our minds to minimize negativity. Finally, it's supplication. I use this last paragraph to express my needs to God. When we seek first the kingdom of heaven, God promises to give us the desires of our heart. Afterwards, I meditate. Journaling brings me clarity and peace. I hope you are at peace right now and that you liked this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.